Have you ever dreamed of working in the fashion and lifestyle industry? LIM College offers our pre-college program called Summer Fashion Academy for high school students. Juniors and seniors get the opportunity to work with our expert faculty who have industry experience, and you also have the opportunity to meet our wonderful alumni who have different offices and showrooms in New York City. Students will take courses in fashion merchandising, fashion styling, and both in-person and virtual offerings are available. New York City is the center of the fashion world, and if you take in-person courses, you have the opportunity to explore New York City and all that it has to offer. If you'd like to learn more or apply, please visit limcollege.edu/fashionacademy.